Welcome to the Auto Expert. Today we take a deep dive into a car that has captured hearts for decades, the all-new 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. This car is not just a blast from the past, but a brilliant blend of classic design and modern technology, a tribute to one of the most iconic automobiles in history. The original Volkswagen Beetle, known for its quirky, rounded shape and dependable engineering, has undergone a thoughtful transformation that preserves its timeless aesthetic while incorporating contemporary performance, comfort, and safety features that suit modern drivers. At first glance, the all-new 1970 Volkswagen Beetle impresses with its unmistakable silhouette and retro charm. The design stays true to the original, featuring smooth, aerodynamic curves and a friendly, approachable demeanor that instantly evokes nostalgia. Yet under the hood, this car tells a completely different story. Gone are the days when the Beetle was simply an economical commuter. Now it boasts a refined engine lineup and state-of-the-art engineering. The updated powertrain has been carefully tuned to deliver an engaging driving experience with improved acceleration, responsive handling, and a quiet ride that belies its classic exterior. Modern engineers have integrated advanced fuel injection systems and refined air cooling techniques, ensuring that the engine not only honors the Beetle's heritage, but also meets today's stringent emissions and performance standards. Inside the cabin, the contrast between past and present is even more striking. While the exterior pays homage to the beloved original, the interior offers a surprisingly upscale and tech-savvy environment. Soft-touch materials, ergonomic seating, and an intuitive dashboard layout create an inviting atmosphere, making every journey a pleasure whether you're cruising the open road or navigating busy city streets. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen, smartphone integration, and advanced connectivity options ensures that drivers remain connected and entertained, all while keeping their focus firmly on the road. Modern safety features such as multiple airbags, traction control, and advanced driver assistance systems have been seamlessly integrated into the design, demonstrating that the car is as committed to protecting its occupants as it is to celebrating its storied past. One of the most exciting aspects of the all-new 1970 Volkswagen Beetle is its appeal to both enthusiasts and newcomers alike. For longtime fans of the Beetle, this modern reinterpretation is a nostalgic nod that retains the heart and soul of the original while addressing the needs of contemporary driving. The distinctive design cues from the iconic curved roofline to the compact yet efficient chassis evoke memories of a simpler time, yet every line and detail has been reimagined with today's technology in mind. Modern performance enhancements mean that the Beetle is not just a museum piece or a weekend cruiser. It's built for daily driving and spirited adventures. Lightweight construction methods have been paired with modern suspension systems, ensuring that the ride quality is smooth, responsive, and fun, whether you're navigating winding roads or embarking on a long-distance journey. This car also embodies Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability and innovation. The integration of modern engine technology not only boosts performance but also reduces emissions, aligning the Beetle with contemporary environmental standards. It's a car that proves a vehicle can be both a piece of automotive history and a forward-thinking product designed for the demands of today's market. The blend of retro design with modern efficiency creates a unique appeal that stands out in a crowded automotive landscape. It's a vehicle that encourages drivers to appreciate the beauty of classic design while embracing the benefits of modern engineering. Every detail of the all-new 1970 Volkswagen Beetle has been meticulously crafted to offer a driving experience that is both familiar and refreshingly new. From its revamped powertrain to its cutting-edge safety and convenience features, this car is a testament to Volkswagen's ability to evolve while staying true to its roots. So whether you're a lifelong Beetle enthusiast or a curious newcomer looking for a car with character, this modern masterpiece delivers on every front. The Auto Expert invites you to experience the perfect union of nostalgia and innovation. A car that reminds us that sometimes looking back can be the best way to move forward.